Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to post note on Messenger. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook Messenger has a new functions. User can now create notes and share them with their contacts. This complements the existing stories in the profile picture. Facebook Messenger has received a new update. User can now find the notes function in the inbox area. They can use this function to post short statements that are visible to all their contacts in the app. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that your messenger is on the latest version, on the newest version. You can check on your App Store or Play Store to update your messenger. After that, you will see on the top of your screen, there's like option note. You can just tap on that. Here, so you can share your thought, maybe like this. You can also add music on it. Now after that, you can just tap on share. So all your friends on your messenger will be able to see your notes in here and they can respond to your note by tap on your note and send a reply to your note. It's a simple, right? So that is how to post notes on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.